Guys, welcome to the channel. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And guess what? We are going to be talking about 5 best affiliate marketing networks that you can find in 2022. Now, before I go ahead, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, guys, hit that subscribe button below and the bell notification so that you get notified for future videos. Okay, so I'm going to share with you just a little bit more about the best affiliate marketing networks in my opinion. Now, I've been doing affiliate marketing for some time, guys, but I wanted to give you a good overview before we actually get into it. And if you stay tuned to the end of the video, I am going to share with you one of my completely free funnels that you can get in order for you to start generating an income through affiliate marketing, because it is definitely one of the best business models out there. And on every single Monday, we talk about affiliate marketing because of that, specifically because of that. Okay, so let's go ahead and actually share with you what is affiliate marketing, guys. If you have a product or service that you need to share with somebody, if you have, for example, a website hosting platform, if you have a service that you need to share with somebody, and that is going to give you a commission, is paying you via commission, that is basically affiliate marketing. Now, a lot of people confuse it with network marketing. I'm not going to get into it. Obviously, hit that subscribe button if you want to know more about network marketing, because I do speak about it on this channel. But today's video is, as I mentioned, about affiliate marketing. So it's a simple thing like a website hosting platform. If you have products or service like a glass, a bottle, anything that you want to share, that basically that you're getting a commission on is considered as affiliate marketing. You even have websites, guys, that you can use technology on your own blog, on your own platform, in order for you to generate a commission on affiliate marketing side. Now, that is basically what an affiliate is: somebody who is promoting your product or service on behalf of you, okay, and sharing it that way. Now, the main skill that we're going to be talking about within affiliate marketing is what I teach in the funnel. It's not my funnel, as I mentioned. It is something free that you're going to get, which you'll learn more about at the end of this video, is specifically how to generate traffic to these kind of business models. How do you go about it? What is the structure behind it? How do you get started with these platforms in order for you to earn commission and then repeat the process? So I have a very simple method that I personally follow with affiliate marketing, and there is a free method and it's a pay method. There are 2 different methods that I follow. I combine both of them together in order for me to actually generate a decent amount of income when it comes to affiliate marketing. And obviously I'm scaling that up as I go along, but I want to share this with you guys on the channel. So if you have seen my affiliate marketing playlist, you'll know that I already talk about strategies, and I will be talking much more about these kind of strategies in 2022. Okay, so these are the 5 best affiliate marketing networks personally if you're getting started in the make money online niche space. Okay, if you're getting started in the make money online space, or you just want to know how to do CPA marketing, which is cost per acquisition. So that means an action needs to be done and acquired in order for them to pay you. So it could be a multiple things, and we'll get into that. And lastly, I wanted to give it a broader scale. So even if you, for example, learn how to create a YouTube channel with specific gadgets or any kind of thing like that, whatever you are interested in, and if you become an affiliate for Amazon, then obviously you can use Amazon Associates or affiliates to build your income as well. So these are all the 5 main platforms. So I personally use all of these, I personally use 2 at the moment. I use Warrior Plus and I use Clickbank, but also JVZoo is another big one in the space in terms of affiliate marketing. So we're going to go through all of these platforms a little bit, but I want to share with you specifically what these networks are for you. Okay, because you might say, okay, I'm ready to get started with affiliate marketing. I understand what it is. I've seen some videos on YouTube, etc., but I want to be able to monetize it. How do I actually get to monetize it? These networks is the door. Okay, it's literally the handle where you open the door and you get the product or service where you can actually start to monetize it, right? As I mentioned, always as an affiliate marketer, guys, you have to focus on the traffic side. So whether it's a paid traffic source, whether it's a free traffic source, what are you doing in order for you to get eyeballs onto your offer? Okay, that's the main skill set that we're learning when it comes to affiliate marketing. Actually, when it comes to the online space in general, you have to know how to learn, or you need to know how to drive traffic to generate an income online. That's pretty much it. Okay. And obviously you want to convert that traffic. There's a different methods, from a cold traffic to a warm traffic, from traffic that you don't know, people that you don't know, to people that you know, who know, like, and trust you, build a relationship with, that can come back and buy with you. If you have had a good experience with Amazon, for example, you're going to go back and buy products on Amazon, right? So it's exactly the same structure if you think about it as a whole. And what I'm mentioning here is that all the networks that I've mentioned are a good place to start, as long as it has a fit, it's best fitted for you. So for example, I'm going to give you me as an example. Okay. I personally have in the make money online space, because the MMO niche for me is what I've been accustomed to for the last 8 years. So what I've done is I've set up my affiliate networks to work for me in that space. So whether it's tools to help generate more leads, whether it's software, whether it is actually a funnel that I can give away, whether it's education that I can give away and earn a commission on, that is in that space that I work with. But for you, if you want to do something more related to cost per acquisition, because you have a really good traffic source and you know that it converts and you know that people will do those actionable items, then CPA, which is cost per acquisition or cost per action, affiliate marketing might be something for you, okay, that you can monetize, because it is more task oriented. So you have to know your audience. Who are the people who are going behind that? If you're doing something like a tech-based YouTube channel, then maybe an Amazon product might be the best for you, because, or Amazon products might be the best for you, because you can do reviews on them. You can go ahead and actually buy them yourself. Maybe you'll get some other services, and it becomes one of the areas that you go into. So these, just if you think about it, you have to see what fits you the best. Okay, so as I mentioned, CPA is one, Amazon is the other. The other three are fully dependent, are full of different tools, strategies, digital and physical products as well. For example, with Clickbank, you can go into the health and fitness niche and get actually physical products delivered to you, but you are only doing the online work. You're not taking care of this, the shipping or any kind of thing on the back end. You're focusing on purely driving that traffic there. Okay, so focus on building a traffic source for that affiliate network. I wouldn't mix the two out together, just simply because, for example, maybe a traffic source for JVZoo, Clickbank and Warrior Plus can be the same, and you can spread your risk out by having these three affiliate networks, okay, because they are in a similar kind of space, right? But if you have, for example, a strong traffic or strong people who are following you, a strong community who are interested in health and fitness, and you want to use Clickbank for the health and fitness, then focus on Clickbank for the health and fitness. Why? Because it's going to give you the best results possible there. Okay, so you are going to focus on those products or services that you're using, that and stick to it, guys. Don't join every shiny object that comes out there, just sharing and trying to tell you and sell the world to you. Fix on a traffic source for that affiliate network itself. So me personally, I just focus on, so this is what I do. Okay, on the front end, I have my Warrior Plus, okay, which is basically something that you're going to get for free, by the way, at the end of this video. Okay, I have my Warrior Plus on the front end, where I'm sharing with you guys value. You're learning how to build a list. You're getting a free funnel. You're getting free software. You're learning how to do things for a paid method and a free method, traffic sources, everything, all a business in a box, basically, with Warrior Plus that I have for you. Okay. Now, the bonus for that is if you purchase any product or service, you do definitely get a coaching with me once a month, where we go over the things that you need to do in order for you to start to generate more sales and more income and build your way up. Okay. But I start off with Warrior Plus on the front end because it helps me build my list. I build my email list, and that's my traffic source at the end. Okay, that's the traffic source that converts. So I have a cold traffic source and I have a warm traffic source. So my warmer traffic source is my email list. My colder traffic source is like this: a YouTube video, solo ads, maybe even Google ads, and so on and so forth. And that's the traffic that I'm driving to Warrior Plus. Why am I driving it to Warrior Plus? Because I'm getting the sales there, I'm getting the cash flow there. And what happens is on the back end, I have on my email list also Clickbank as an affiliate network where I have other programs that do well. And I share my Clickbank link there. So people can buy on both platforms, but they're getting introduced to just one. Remember, they're getting into one, but they might get 2 or 3 platforms additionally within the system itself that they can earn from. So I'm giving them, I'm not confusing the whole thing, right? I'm sharing with them one direction, one model, one business goal. The main thing and secret about affiliate marketing is a lot of the times, most of the people who get started with affiliate marketing, guys, will give up. So if you really want to win and start to see a consistent amount of sales with affiliate marketing, one of the winning secret is really just not to give up. So I'm going to share with you, firstly, thank you for the presentation, guys. I just want to share with you a little bit more about these. Just give me a second, I need to stop. So guys, here I am, and I'm going to share with you, this is Warrior Plus. So as I said, you can start a business with Warrior Plus. You can have basically sales automation, different product services or tools. I do have a specific video on Warrior Plus, which I'll link above in the description, in this video, so that you can have a look and take and basically see what is it for you, right? And this is the whole platform itself. You can check out the products and services that are here available. They have a great support as well, which has always been good for me personally. So I start off with Warrior Plus. This is my home. This is where I've set my nest egg in, and I'm just building on the affiliate marketing side in Warrior Plus. But then you have also JV Zoo, which accepts different payment methods. Plus, at the same time, as you can see, it has different products and services and tools. Again, here, these have different niches. The thing that I like about Clickbank, as I mentioned, is that you can really start to grow your business if you are somebody who's making a course and you want to sell it here, or if you're making product or service and you want to sell it here. Listen, they have been there for 20 years. This is not something that's going to come and go overnight. Okay, this is a 20-year business model, all of these, and this is why I'm sharing with you these products, these networks. Okay, it's not something that's going to go overnight. This video is going to stay here. I'm going to be sharing with you guys, and in fact, every Monday I'm going to be putting out much more video and content for you to learn what is the strategies that you can make in order for you to start to generate more leads and sales basically in your affiliate marketing business. Okay, so Clickbank is here. This is the third one I was talking about. CPA affiliate marketing networks. This is just a blog post that I wanted to show you. We have some ones out there like Max Bounty, which basically is based on question and answers. You need to have a task. They need to get the product or service in order for you to get a commission. Remember, cost per action basically means in order for somebody to act, they will pay you. So imagine you fill in your email address and you get paid $1 for that email address. This is just an example. Usually the actions are not so easy. It is something like a survey maybe, or it is maybe playing a game and giving some feedback, different kinds of things. Know your action behind it, but definitely this is quite possible with all of these CPA networks. Okay, and I just put out Max Bounty so you guys can see how it is. It is one of the best networks out there, so it's up to you. Last but not the least is Amazon Associates. Now, Amazon Associates, as you guys can see, is very much recommended for people who have actual physical products or services, or maybe want to sell books, Kindle products. These are the digital products that you might find on Amazon, but in general, it's a good program in case you want to get started there as well. So these are the 5 best affiliate networks. And as I said, guys, if you've stayed till the very end, if you stay till here, what I'm going to be sharing with you is this right here. Okay, just give me a second. Let me go to it. I'm going to be sharing with you the Super Funnel Hero. Okay, now let me just show you the page that you'll find in the description, but I also want to go directly here so that you get to see both. So this is the page that you'll find in the description, which basically it's a free funnel. Okay, you'll get a hands down for free, but obviously there are some upsells basically in the funnel itself. And if you purchase, guys, this is just me recommending to you, if you purchase any upsells in the funnel, you need to reach out to me first and foremost. And how you can reach out to me is I've also linked in the description my Facebook page. Okay, so you will find me on Facebook. Let me just go ahead and actually go to my page right here. You'll be able to find me on Facebook, guys. And if you do find me on Facebook, add me on Facebook, and let me know that you've come from this video, and I will then talk to you a little bit more about setting you up for the coaching itself. Okay. So as I mentioned, this is the funnel that you get, and you will have upsells there, which are really good. I've gone over the upsells. In fact, let me actually put another card up here, and you can actually see a review that I've done for the Super Funnel Hero in case you want to get it. Okay. And then this is what it is. And it is a funnel that can create a six-figure income for you literally by just focusing on one thing, what I'm talking about in this video, which is generating traffic. Okay. I use this funnel is connected to my Warrior Plus, and I earn from the basically earn from the funnel to my Warrior Plus, and then I get paid after that. Okay, so that's the whole process behind it. Now the key thing here, this is the surprise. Okay, you're getting this free funnel as long as you enter your email address, and I'll send it to you, no problem. It is going to be sent to you for free. Okay, like I said, if you do purchase something, then and reach out to me, I will definitely give you my bonuses. But wait a minute. Okay, why am I sharing this with you? Specifically, why am I sharing this funnel with you? Okay, it's the gateway. It is the gateway to Warrior Plus. Okay, so you are getting here, but it doesn't mean you have to only be promoting this. Okay, it's the gateway to Warrior Plus, where you have many other affiliate marketing products or services that are available, tools that you can use. So it's the gateway. Remember, we're showing you guys how to enter into the door that opens the opportunities for you in order for you to generate an income online. So if this is something that interests you, if you like this video, guys, as I mentioned, everything is in the description. So you can click on the links in the description to get the Super Funnel Hero firstly for free, and also to join any of these networks. You will be able to just Google it yourself, but I will be coming up with more content that actually shows you how to drive free traffic, and then also what is my exact strategy in terms of paid traffic. Okay, so let's go ahead and see you on the next video, and I'll thank you again once again for watching this video. Have a great day, have a great week ahead.